And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Oh, this Virginia weather sucks ass. I am Virginia weather pisses me off. Fucking hate wintertime. I hate it. I cannot stand wintertime. But I mean, okay, let me explain why I hate wintertime. Because wintertime is a time that cars just stay filthy. And it drives me crazy when my car is utterly filthy like it is right now. Because we'll get a good day and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wash the car. And you'll get one good day and the rest be rain. So literally wintertime is the worst time for cars. Like right now it's currently raining. Like it's raining and they're calling for snow and ice, and I just hate wintertime. I really do. But my car's too slow to move somewhere else, so guess I'm kind of stuck with it. Like, my car's too slow to move to Texas, my car's too slow to move to Florida. Well, I guess I'm stuck with Virginia weather. So how you doing, Virginia? No, I'm just kidding. I've been living here for my whole life. But that's not the topic of today's video. We're going to go over the Mishmoto catch can. And I know I've covered this in another video, but I've had a lot of questions on my Bama tune, my reaction to my new Bama tune. So I'm gonna go back over this because if you watched one of the first, I think it was the second video of 2019, I explained what happened last year. I'm not gonna go back over it. I will link it here. I will link it somewhere, wherever, so we can go over it. And I'm sorry if my air freshener's kind of dangling. I kind of got y'all at a weird angle, and I'm not used to having that. So, just for the video, we're going to take that off. Okay. Because I didn't notice that it was in y'all's way. My bad. Anyways. So, alright. So, I've had the I've done a first review on my Mishmoto catch can. And, well, I mean, I've had it on my car for literally, it was a year last month, so I've had it on my car literally over a year. And honestly, I really enjoy it. Like, it catches a lot of oil, a lot of blow by oil. So a year later, I still will recommend it to anybody who needs a catch can. So, I mean, the Mishmoto catch can is kind of weird. It's not weird, but the placement of the catch can is kind of weird. Like, the hoses are so long, which I'll put a picture of it, you know, here. The placement of the hoses is so long that it has to mount to the passenger side strut tower. So with it mounted to the passenger side strut tower, I'll link the video when I did my Boss 302 strut tower brace install, because I've been wanting one and I got it for a real good deal from a buddy. So I went ahead and installed it, and since it mounted to the strut tower brace, well, sent to the strut tower, and it had washers for it, I had to take one of the washers out so the strut tower will fit properly. Which, like I said, I'll insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. But I mean, besides that, I mean, other than the weird install, I love it. It does its job, and I'm still gonna be glad. I'm still proud from Mishmoto sponsorship. Like, I will forever be glad about that. But alright, let's talk about the Bama 2. Oh, Bama, Bama, Bama. I went over this with my Bama versus Lund tune. And, you know, things happen. You get more information. And things change. So, I'm still getting rid of Bama. It's just going to take me a little while longer. I'm not going to tell y'all what I'm going to go to. I have nothing against email tunes. I really don't. Like, I mean, if that's what you have to work with and you don't really feel like dealing with a tuner, I will forever suggest an email tune because it works as long as you data log. So, Bama tune, like I said, I've been running it for like 2 years. I literally got it. So I got my car in April and literally was Bama tuned in like June. So, and then I got a retune a year. 6 months to a year later, I got a retune. So, I mean, okay, if you don't have a tune, then if you don't have a tune and you're not heavily modified where you need a dyno tune, then yes, I suggest a Bama tune. If you, let me rephrase that. Alright, sorry, GoPro died. Well, it didn't die. SD card was full because your boy don't know how to delete shit. But like I was saying, if you don't have a tuner and you need a tuner, then I highly suggest just going ahead, and if you can't afford the Lund tune, the Lund Engage, which I wish I would have got, like, seriously, but you know, I didn't really know that much, and I saw tuner and I was like, cool, Bama. So if you need a tuner and you don't have the money for Lund, then literally you get with the Bama, I don't know, maybe by the time the time of me recording this video, because you may watch it tomorrow, you may watch it 10 years from now because you're looking for a tuner or whatever. The time of recording this video, I have the Bama X4 tuner. Obviously, I've done a review on it, and I've talked about it. So, if you need a tuner, then, and when I bought mine, I literally had free tunes for life and 3 automatic tunes. You tell them what you want, like a 93 race tune, you tell them what fuel you're running, you tell them what modifications you're running, and they literally send you your tuner with your tunes. And I've done an upload video on how to update, you know, how to tune your, add tunes to your tuner. I've done a video on that too. But the Bama tunes aren't bad. I'm not knocking them by no means. But they sorry, I'm trying to get some heat going. It's kind of snowing right now. Yes, I drive my car, rain, snow, sleet, ice. I drive my car as long as I can get it out. Like I said, I highly suggest if you need a tuner, you don't have one, you got slight modifications. Because when I bought my car, I had the axle backs and I had the JLT cold air intake, and my car was running rich. And so I got a tuner and it fixed it. Like, the Bama's not as bad as people say they are. Now, American Muscle, that's a whole nother ball game. But Bama ain't as bad. They tune on their conservative side, which I've talked about and I don't really like. Like, I feel like I could get a lot more out of my car if I had a different tune. But, I mean, I like it. I would suggest it for the first time. You know, if you don't have the money for a tuner, I suggest it. Ah, shit, I ran so fast. I mean, if you don't have the money to go down and get your car dyno tuned, then don't have the money to go get your car dyno tuned, Lund is the next tuner, next option I'd say. But if you don't have the money for Lund, then you can go get Bama. I made a mistake, got Bama. I like it. I mean, it got rid of the. I don't have rev loss when I shift gears, which when I first got my car, I noticed the difference when I first got it and when I got it tuned. It doesn't rev match, it kind of like rev hangs, like it doesn't, when you push the clutch in and you're shifting gears, it doesn't automatically go from like 4 to 2. It kind of goes from 4 and like slowly creeps down, which I like. So like I said, I mean, if you need one, I highly suggest it. But if you're already tuned by a dyno tune or Lund tune, I wouldn't even bother. That's my opinion. That's my experience with them. And Jesus Christ, it's snowing. It's like I wish I could turn the camera around and show y'all. It's really, really snowing. But that's it for today. Might do a time lapse. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.